A great way to do that is to maintain current credit reports. Make sure you're understanding everything that's listed on your credit. So if there's debts out there that you weren't aware of, you're in the knowledge before you file for divorce. It's also just a good idea to keep track of where your expenses are going. Keep track of your accounts, keep track of those debts, and keep an organized version of that. And then, of course, it's always good to meet with an attorney beforehand and see what they think and see, what kind of picture that their advice is going to show and where those debts are going to be assigned as the case progresses. Now, it's not something you can always answer before the case starts. It's not something you can necessarily answer until the case is going for a little while. But you can get a general idea based on how the debts were used and how those things were done for the purpose of the marriage, going into a divorce to see what am I going to be responsible for or what am I not going to be responsible for. But the general principle is that if it was debt incurred for the marriage, it's going to be considered marital debt.